Hey, welcome to the Weta channel. How you guys doing today? This is a kind of a get ready with me video, I guess you might as well say. It's early in the morning and you gotta get ready. So we're gonna start out today with some primer, some Smashbox Photo Finish primer that I got in Ipsy. And we're gonna first put it on our face and just put it in the areas that you have the problems. You want to pretty much just pat down and rub in. I just use my hands, so it doesn't, that's what works best for me with this primer. I know you people don't understand what primer does, but it helps. It eliminates all them pores. At least it tries to. Alright, and then next, what we will do is do this, and we're just going to use some normal L'Oreal Nude True Match, whatever I had in the cupboard. And we're just going to dabble this on. You want to make sure you get your neck area too, because sometimes you want everything to look the same and to blend in the right way. It's very, very important. And I just dab it on here. I probably could dab it on something and then make it easier for me, but it's working. So if it works, why change it? And I usually just get ready in a shirt that I'm not going to wear that day in case makeup falls out on it or anything, because usually, I don't know what it is, stuff always falls on my shirts or gets on my shirt somehow. As you can tell, look right there already. Alright, and now we're going to take the concealer and put it under your problem areas. Which right here under my eyes, my nose, because for some reason my nose is a little red. I don't know if other people have that problem, but I have that problem. And then on my chin. And then we just blend, blend, blend. Alright, and then now that that's pretty much blended in good, I would say, take your powder. I'm just using CoverGirl, normal everyday stuff, you know. And I'm just going to use the powder. It's going to make it faster and simpler for me. Alright, now that we have pretty much a beautiful face of makeup, at least foundation, I'm going to go and do my eyebrows real quick and then I'll get back to you. Alright, now that my eyebrows are done, they're not the best, but they're done. And we're gonna go for an everyday look because I gotta go to the doctor today and I don't need to go all glam out. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put on some primer. Maybe if it'll come out. All you need is a little bit. Just put a little bit of primer on your eyelids. This is probably enough primer for both eyelids. And then what we're gonna do is go in with this one from BoxyCharm. We got this palette here, Violet Voss Essentials. We're gonna use that palette, and we're just gonna go and put it just an all over color, I think, for now. And that primer really helps make it so it's shimmery and pretty and helps it stay in place all day too. What I'm going to do is just kind of work it all up here. Not too bright, but just enough to know that it's there. Just blend, 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 that's it. We're going to do the exact same thing. I think this eye might be a little darker, so we're gonna go back in over here. All right, and then just with a little bit more, we're gonna blend this color out all the way up into our brow bone. Let's see how I like that. Let's see. All right, and then we're gonna add a little bit of this pink shade right here. It's called, literally it's called pink. So we're gonna take a little bit of that and we're gonna just put it probably, I'm thinking on the outside of the eye, just a little bit. These colors blend very well too. You want something different, but yet something pretty and something fun, because that's what makeup's about. It's about having fun. All right, and now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add some eyeliner. And with this eyeliner, I only put it on the top, and then I come in with another eyeliner because this eyeliner never sticks to my water lines. So I just do a very thin line. Oops, it was gonna be thin. Just do a thin line. Try to make both sides match. And that's pretty much that. And then my eyes always like to water sometimes, so you gotta give it a couple seconds. But then I take this kind of eyeliner. It's the kind like that. And I put it in my waterline because that kind, it doesn't stay well for me all day. So what I do is my wrinkles, you know, I'm getting old. And I just put them down here. And that's pretty much it. And then we're gonna take this Tresic mascara that we got out of BoxyCharm as well. And we're gonna put mascara on. And that's pretty much it for the mascara. Do a couple coats on here. And that's pretty much it for the mascara. But I noticed my eyeliner kind of decided to run a little bit, so I need to fix this. It kind of did it on both sides. And now we're gonna take this Wander Trip for Two Duo, and it's blush and highlighter, and it's also for blush and contour, and it's also from BoxyCharm. This all stuff is from BoxyCharm, if I say so. And then you contour your cheeks. This is new, so I've never used this. I don't know how it works, so if I want a little rough, I'll have to figure it out. But just contour it out. Maybe I used a little too much on that side, but we'll have to figure it out. Alright, and now we're gonna start with the blush since we got the contouring done. And what I like to do is make sure I get the apples of my cheeks real good, so I like to smile, fake smile. And then it works pretty good. And pretty much that's what we're gonna do. And then I have sometimes I put it up here too. Just make it all pretty, make it all blend well. And we will do my lips next. I had a highlighter, but I don't know what I did with my highlighter, so we ain't gonna use highlighter today. We're gonna just do my lips. And here we are. I should have a lip liner maybe, but I don't know where one is right now. Oh crap. Let's be real, it happens, guys. And then we have pretty much a finished look. the end of the day, we're ready to go. Put our hair down. I might need to straighten my hair a little bit in a little bit though, before I leave. Next, I guess you would say, and then change my clothes and we're ready to go. If you like this channel and you'd like to see more getting ready with me's, just hit the subscribe button and click that all button and you'll get all my updates. Thanks for coming and hanging out, guys. You guys have a good day.